SI unit of electric current. Okay, so we have seen right before that this electric current is defined as charge by time. So therefore, when we talk about the SI unit of electric current, that SI unit can always be obtained from the equations of electric current. So because from this equation we have charge upon time, so the SI unit of electric current would be the SI unit of charge and the SI unit of time. And you know SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second. So therefore, right, coulomb per second is the SI unit of electric current, or I can say in symbol CS-1, which is coulomb per second. So this is the SI unit of electric current. But this coulomb per second, it is equivalent to ampere. Okay, Ampere is actually a scientist who first discovered about this term electric current. So in order to remember his name, so we are giving the SI unit in his name. So therefore please remember from here that this coulomb per second means ampere. Alright, okay, so I will write two symbols only. This is coulomb, this is second, this is equivalence to A means ampere. So let us define about 1 ampere. Okay, so to obtain 1 ampere, then I will substitute like this. If the charge passing through the conductor, it is 1 coulomb, and the time taken by the charge to cross the conductor, let's say it is 1 second, then what happens to the electric current? Then electric current, which is equals to Q upon T. Now charge is 1 coulomb, time is 1 second. So I here is equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 second, but coulomb upon second means what? Mean ampere. So 1 by 1 mean 1, so coulomb by second mean ampere. So therefore this is 1 ampere. So therefore we defined 1 ampere as the current which is passing through the conductor when a charge of 1 coulomb is passing through the conductor in 1 second. Okay, so that is the meaning of 1 ampere. Right? Okay. So similarly, because sometimes this ampere is actually sometimes it's a big unit. So therefore sometimes it is not convenient for us to use ampere as the units of electric current. Like in the laboratory, when you do the experiment, most of the currents there are are small currents. Okay, so if they are small currents, so now we shall see about the smaller units of current where we measure. So the smaller units of current are number 1 milliampere, which we write MA, and this relation of this milliampere with the SI unit is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So this is the first smaller unit of electric current. The second smaller unit of electric current is microampere, and symbolically we write mu A. Mu stands for micro. So 1 microampere, it is related to the SI unit as 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Okay, so these are the two smaller units of electric current.